This is Dr. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. Now we are sailing in the video series of Artificial Intelligence in Electrical Engineering. Now let me see for today's video, the topic outline is the definitions, the importance of artificial intelligence, and in the next video series what are all the programming methods with examples that we see. Right now, what you mean by artificial intelligence? Yes, before going to that, whether in today's world before going to that in today's world, you came to know about what is artificial intelligence. It is almost in the system. You mean now you are using a cell phone? Yes, the cell phone is utilized by a human being, whereas some intelligent techniques is incorporated such that it increases your searching behavior. You came to know that if you it increases your searching behavior. How this is happening? It increases your searching behavior. And how this is happening? It is because of AI. See the definition. As per the definition, it is nothing but AI, artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of systems or machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. The branch of computer science, it is a branch of computer science which performs tasks required for human intelligence, right? Required for the human intelligence. The task may include of learning, reasoning, problem solving, or understanding the environment and responding according to it. Understanding the environment and responding according to it. Right. The importance of artificial intelligence in this today's scenario. One, the efficient and importance. AI. The AI increases the productivity of automating tasks. Suppose let me assume a continuous work has to be carried out in a company. A continuous work has to be carried out in a concern, and if the same continuous work is done by an human being, you mean it is by the manual operation, then it consumes more time. Whereas if it is taken in terms of an automation, then the continuous work may be completed within a stipulated period. Whereas with the help of AI, the productivity in this automation task also increases. Whereas by reducing the human error and also saving time. Though automation is there, when AI is incorporated in the automation sector, then the productivity increases. The overall productivity increases. This is the first point, efficient in automation. And see the next, the example is nothing but the robots powered by AI, which performs in the assembly line sections, maybe in a car manufacturing company or in a cell manufacturing company or a bottle packing in industries, packaging sectors. All these assembly sections, it is in continuous manner. It goes on for a period of duration. When the conveyor belt is running, and automation will carried out in a sequence process. Whereas for this sequence process, robotics and automation comes into picture, and if AI is incorporated, then the productivity increases in a reduced time. Whereas let me see the next point, it is for data analysis and decision making. Right. Let me decide a large number of data set is there, and you have to retrieve a certain information from the data sets. retrieve a certain information from the data sets. While doing a manual operation with the help of Excel or with the help of any other tooling mechanism, it increases the time. Whereas with the help of AI, the large set of databases or data sets um, can be can be seen, and the particular pattern can be retrieved within a short span of time. Say example in a finance sector, AI detects the fraudulent transactions by analyzing by analyzing the spending behavior of the persons. This is second point why AI is important. A large set of data can be analyzed and retrieved. And see here for the third, in healthcare sectors, the diagnosis. You mean for, let me assume, a set of doctors, experienced doctors and an unexperienced doctors. An unexperienced doctor test, suppose, let me assume there is a fever, they will test, they will ask the questions, and it depends on the answer they will write the medicines. Whereas for an experienced doctor, they will ask the question what is the problem, and depends on the problem they will raise the questions and goes on, and depends on the answer of the patient, they will decide what is the actual problem there in the health, and the diagnosis can be easily done with the help of an experienced doctor. Whereas when AI comes into picture, all these experienced doctors' specifications or databases is included in a system, and if we come across these kinds of resemblance, then actually the AI system itself decides and find what is the actual problem, right? Therefore, it enhances the diagnosis accuracy. And also it recommends the treatment, recommends what treatment has to be actually done, right? Say example, see here the examples. The AI systems in IBM Watson, which assists the doctor in diagnosis the disease like a cancer while comparing with the symptoms with a vast medical databases. Therefore, a huge databases is already uploaded in the system, and with the help of the huge databases, it finds out what is the actual which part is the actual cell, or which cell is actually creating problem in problems, right? And these are all some of the importance of the artificial intelligence, and let me see in the next video in detail about other importance part. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you.